Traders spend years cobbling together tools. One platform for signals, another for journaling, YouTube for education, Discord for community. It's a mess. What if all of it was in one ecosystem built by professionals with verified performance and AI doing the heavy lifting? That's Primeverse. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the trading side of it, every tool that gives you actual edge in the market. If you're serious about leveling up, this is what you've been looking for. So let's get into it. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. So quick thing before we dive in, Primeverse runs alongside PU Prime, which is the broker I trade through. Everything you're about to see plugs straight into the PU Prime ecosystem. So if you're already with PU Prime, you're already halfway there. Right, let's get into it. So Primeverse is a complete trading ecosystem. It's not a course, it's not a signal group. It's not a Discord, it's all of those things plus a load more built into one platform. You've got AI powered scanners, you've got verified live signals, auto copy trading, a full academy with structured learning across 9 languages, live trading floor sessions 3 times a week, automated trained journaling with AI coaching, and on a lifestyle side, which I'll cover in a separate video, luxury travel and VIP events. For now, we're focusing on the trading edge. So 6 tools that genuinely change how you operate in the market. So first up is PrimeSync. This is the copy trading engine. Verified signal providers post their trades and PrimeSync mirrors them to your account with 0 latency. We're talking milliseconds. By the time you'd have read a signal in a Discord, copy and pasted it, opened your platform and pasted it manually, PrimeSync has already filled you at the same price as a provider. You set your own lot size multiplier so you control the risk. You can follow multiple providers simultaneously, diversifying automatically, and it's fully automated, so trades while you sleep, work or travel. The current verified stats is 84% win rate across 170 plus tracked trades. That's not a marketing number, that's audited performance. Over 8,000 members across 40 plus countries running this daily. If trading feels confusing or inconsistent, it might not be your efforts. It might just be a lack of clear direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without all the unnecessary noise. With the Signaler, you get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights that actually make sense. Every signal is built around discipline and proper risk control. There's no exaggeration and no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on real analysis. And if you want to see the quality for yourself, they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test the signals before making any commitment. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with a plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's get back to the video. Next is the AI scanners, Siphon and Zonar. These are the tools that identify institutional order flow before price moves. They scan 40 plus pairs continuously, looking for the highest probability setups based on smart money concepts. Liquidity grabs, imbalances, order block reactions. You don't sit and stare at charts hoping to spot something. The AI does the watching. When a high probability setup forms, you get the alert. You decide whether to take it. This is what changes the game for part-time traders especially. So you don't need to be glued to screens. You need the alert to come at the right moment, and these tools deliver that. And then you have Oracle, which is the trade journal. And honestly, this might be the most underrated tool in the whole ecosystem. Every trade you take gets logged automatically. entry, exit, R multiples, drawdown, duration, all of it. But Oracle goes further than just basic journaling. It uses AI to tag patterns in your trading. It spots your psychological errors. It identifies which setups you actually make money on versus which ones you keep taking despite a negative edge. The dashboard shows your win rate, your equity curve, your discipline score. After 50 trades, you've got a brutally honest picture of who you are as a trader. That's a kind of insight most traders never get, and it's exactly what stops you repeating the same mistakes. And you can see here, it just shows it in some more detail. Dashboard, journal, accounts. Up here it shows your balance, your win rate, your best day, your worst day, your average R&R, your total P&L. It breaks it all down beautifully for you. It's such a clean dashboard to look at. Now, the education side. So, Prime Academy. You've got 5 levels structured from absolute beginner to elite institutional level trading. So level 1 is platform and system navigation, how to use everything. Level 2 is your foundations, so pips, lots, basic chart reading, your risk management. Level 3 is structure, market structure, supply and demand, multi-time frame analysis. Level 4 is mastery. So you've got liquidity concepts, fair value gaps, session strategies, institutional order flow. And level 5 is the live floor. It's structured properly. Each level builds on the last. None of this jumping around between random YouTube videos hoping it all clicks. And it's available in 9 languages, which is huge if English isn't your first language. And then the live trading floor, which is 3 times a week, professional traders streaming real money positions live. You see the analysis, you see the entries, you see the management. No edited highlight reels. Just real trades, real money, real time. This is how you bridge theory and practice. You can read about liquidity sweeps for a year and not really get it. Then watch a pro execute one live, the rate they're thinking, and then, it clicks. 3 sessions a week is genuinely transformational. Quick recap. PrimeSync auto-copies verified signals. Siphon and Zonar scan 40 plus pairs with AI for institutional setups. Oracle journals and grades every trade automatically. The Academy takes you from 0 to advanced across 9 languages. And the live trading floor lets you watch pros execute 3 times a week. This is what a real trading ecosystem looks like. Everything plugs together, everything runs through PU Prime, and the tools genuinely give you an edge most traders don't have access to. The link is in the description to get started. Smash the like if this opened your eyes, and I will see you in the next one where I'll show you the lifestyle side, which is honestly just as good.